This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying connections and power so you don't chase phantom problems. Once done, open Display Settings. On Windows, use Settings System Display or press Windows plus P. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences Displays. You need to identify which monitor is labeled 1 or 2 and how they are arranged. This tells you which one is the second screen. Make sure your laptop is set to the desired primary display before removing the extra to avoid losing your taskbar or dock placement. Now you take action to disable the second screen. On Windows, select the secondary monitor in Display Settings and choose Disconnect this display or pick Show Only One so the laptop becomes sole output. Using Windows plus P, you can quickly switch to PC screen only. On Mac OS, uncheck Mirror displays if mirrored or unplug the external cable, and if using AirPlay or Chromecast, stop the stream. For adapters, remove the dongle after confirming the laptop has reverted to a single display to avoid driver confusion. Finish by ensuring the laptop functions as a single display device. Restart to let the OS reapply settings and restore any missing taskbar or dock elements. If the screen stays extended or resolution looks wrong, update or roll back the display driver. Drivers often control detection. If disconnecting fails, inspect cables and adapter firmware. Unplugging and replugging after a reboot can clear stale states. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to remove stubborn drivers or reset display preferences when the normal UI won't cooperate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.